Have you ever imagined a world where everyone throws vibrant colors at each other in joy and celebration? Well, such a world does exist, and it comes to life every year during the Indian festival of Holi, also known as the Festival of Colors. This festival is as colorful as the rainbow. It's a time when people forget their worries and enjoy the moment, filling the air with laughter and cheer. But have you ever wondered why we celebrate Holi? Let's take a quick hop back in time to discover the story behind this festival. Legend has it that there was a wicked king who was so powerful that he thought he was God. He wanted everyone to worship him, but his son, Prahlad, worshipped the real God. The king was furious and tried to harm Prahlad, but each time he was saved by his faith. Finally, the king's sister, Holika, with a cloak that could resist fire, sat with Prahlad in a bonfire. But the cloak flew from Holika and covered Prahlad, saving him and burning Holika. This tale signifies the victory of good over evil, and the bonfire is still a part of Holi celebrations to this day. During Holi, people smear each other with colors, drench each other with water guns filled with colored water, and share sweets. It's a day when everyone, regardless of their age or social status, comes together to celebrate. The rich and the poor, the young and the old, all play with colors, forgetting their differences. It's a magical time when the air is filled with clouds of vibrant colors and the sweet smell of traditional sweets. Holi promotes communal harmony and the spirit of joy. It's a festival where everyone is equal, and the only thing that matters is how colorful you can make your friends and family. And that's the beauty of Holi. It brings people closer, strengthens relationships, and adds color to life. So, Holi is a festival where people come together to spread joy and colors, making it one of the most vibrant festivals around the world. Imagine a night when the sky is not just filled with stars, but also with thousands of colorful lanterns. Welcome to the magical world of Yi Peng, the lantern festival celebrated in Thailand. This festival isn't just about the lanterns, it's a beautiful tradition rooted in Buddhist beliefs. The story behind the festival is as fascinating as the festival itself. Yi Peng is a time when people come together to let go of all their fears and worries. It's a time of renewal, of starting fresh. So how is it done? Well, it's quite simple, yet profoundly meaningful. People write their fears, their worries, their wishes, and their dreams on these lanterns. These lanterns are then released into the night sky, creating a beautiful spectacle of floating lights. It's like watching a sky full of stars, but these stars are closer, brighter, and more colorful. Let's take a moment to visualize this. Picture this. You're standing there, under the dark sky, holding a lantern. You feel the warmth of the lantern as it fills up with air and gets ready to take flight. You release it, and it floats up into the sky, joining thousands of other lanterns. It's a sight to behold, a sky full of floating lights, each one carrying someone's hopes and dreams. This sight is not just beautiful, it's also incredibly peaceful. There's a sense of calm that washes over you as you watch these lanterns float away, taking with them your fears and worries. It's a moment of release, a moment of peace, a moment of pure magic. And that's the beauty of the Yi Peng Festival. It's a festival that brings people together, that celebrates the spirit of letting go, and that fills the sky with a dazzling display of lights. But more than that, it's a festival that lights up people's hearts. It brings a sense of peace, a sense of joy, and a sense of wonder. Yi Peng is a festival that lights up the sky and people's hearts, making it a truly magical experience. What if the streets of a city turned into a river of flowers? Imagine a place where the vibrant hues of blossoms flood the roads, creating a breathtaking spectacle. This is what happens every year in Colombia during the Feria de las Flores, the flower festival. This celebration is not just about the beauty of flowers, it's a symbol of resilience and a tribute to a city's heritage. The festival's roots trace back to the mid-20th century, when Medellin, the city where it's held, was a place of refuge for people fleeing a civil war. Upon settling, these people began growing flowers, turning their new home into a colorful haven. To this day, the festival is a testament to the city's transformation and the enduring spirit of its people. During the Feria de las Flores, the city is awash with floral displays of all shapes and sizes, each one more elaborate than the last. These aren't just any floral arrangements. They're siluetas, works of art created from flowers, carried on the backs of siluteros, the artisans who spend months meticulously crafting these masterpieces. The air buzzes with excitement as the siluteros parade their creations through the city. The streets echo with the lively rhythms of traditional Colombian music, adding to the festive atmosphere. The people of Medellin, and those who travel from far and wide to participate, revel in the shared joy of the occasion. It's a celebration that brings the community together, a time for laughter, dance, and camaraderie. Imagine the sight: a sea of flowers bobbing along the streets, the air filled with the sweet scent of blossoms and the sound of laughter. It's a sensory feast, a riot of colors, sounds, and emotions. The Feria de las Flores is more than just a festival. It's a celebration of life, a tribute to resilience, and an embodiment of communal spirit. Feria de las Flores is a festival that turns a city into a colorful garden, making it an unforgettable spectacle. It's a testament to the power of nature and the strength of community, a testament to the beauty that can bloom even in the face of adversity. Could you imagine a city where giant figures dance around the streets? Welcome to the vibrant and lively Spanish festival of Gigantes y Cabezudos, which translates to the Giants and Bigheads Festival. This celebration is a sight to behold, full of color, music, and laughter as larger-than-life figures parade around the city. Let's take a step back and understand the grand tradition behind this festival. The custom of Gigantes y Cabezudos dates back several centuries, deeply rooted in Spanish folklore. Craftsmen and artists spend months, sometimes even a full year, meticulously designing and creating these towering figures. Made of papier-mâché and cloth, these giants can stand as tall as 15 feet, their heads bobbing to the rhythm of the music as they dance down the streets. The figures are often designed to resemble historical or mythical characters, bringing tales of yore to life. It's like stepping into a storybook, with kings, queens, knights, and mythical creatures sauntering around, much to the delight of the onlookers. But it's not just about the visual spectacle. The festival is also a feast for the ears. The air is alive with the sound of traditional music, with drums, trumpets, and tambourines setting the beat for the giants' dance. The crowd joins in, clapping, singing, and laughing, making the whole city resonate with joy and excitement. What's even more fun, the big heads or cabezudos. These comical characters with oversized heads run through the crowd, playfully chasing the giggling children and making everyone laugh with their antics. It's a delightful scene where everyone, young and old, participates in the merriment. Gigantes y Cabezudos is more than just a festival. It's a celebration of heritage, a testament to the power of imagination, and a thrilling cultural experience that captivates everyone who witnesses it. The festival brings folklore to life, transforming the city into a grand stage where stories from the past dance in the present. And so, Gigantes y Cabezudos is a festival that brings folklore to life, making it a fascinating cultural experience. From a world of colors to a sky full of lights, to a city turned into a flower garden, and finally, a gathering of giants. Today, we've traveled the globe, exploring some of the world's most vibrant and unique festivals. We began our journey with Holi, the festival of colors, where the air is filled with a magical haze of hues and laughter echoes through the streets. Playfulness is the name of the game, as everyone, young and old, paints the town in a splash of colors. It's a time when joy and happiness radiate in every corner, truly a sight to behold. Next, we ventured to the Yiping Festival, where the night sky is set alight with a sea of lanterns. Each glowing orb carries a wish, a hope, a dream, soaring into the night sky, creating a spectacle of lights. It's like a dance of stars on earth, illuminating the world with its enchanting glow. Our third stop took us to the Feria de las Flores, the Festival of Flowers. Imagine an entire city transformed into a gigantic flower garden, with stunning floral displays adorning every corner. It's a tribute to nature's beauty, a riot of colors and fragrances that captivate the senses. Lastly, we found ourselves amidst the Gigantes y Cabezudos, a gathering of giants. Towering figures, larger than life, roam the streets in a parade of grandeur. It's a celebration of artistry and creativity, where folklore comes alive in the most delightful way. Each of these festivals, from different corners of the globe, shows us that there's no limit to the ways we can celebrate life. They remind us of the joy of coming together, the thrill of shared experiences, and the beauty of cultural diversity. These festivals are a testament to human creativity and the universal love for celebration. These festivals show us how people around the world find unique and beautiful ways to come together and celebrate life. Who knows? Maybe one day you might join in one of these wonderful celebrations.